What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. Well, today I've got my hands on a new piece of innovation. This is the Qi lamp. It's a brand new wireless charging map with a full spectrum of LED colors, touch controls and changeable modes. So the lamp itself is made from a combination of plastic and metal. So you've got an aluminium base at the bottom, and the lampshade itself is made from plastic, and so are the touch controls on the top. Now overall it feels like a well-made quality product. Now let's quickly discuss the dimensions. This is 17 centimeters in height, 6.6 centimeters in diameter, and weighs only 247 grams. So very light and ideal for traveling. Now you do have a 360-degree diffused lampshade giving you light from all directions, and the maximum brightness provided is 275 lumens. Now you do have touch controls on the top, so you have one to change the brightness and the other one will actually change the modes. Now you've got three different modes to choose from. You've got continuous mode, which is this one, and it's ideal for working and reading. I'm actually going to switch off my studio lights so you can see this in action better. Look at that. So this is continuous mode, which is ideal for working and reading, etc. You've got spectrum mode, which will cycle through all of the colors, and you can see that is so nice and bright. Absolutely beautiful. And then you have candle mode. So candle mode creates a glow which pulses 12 times per minute, and this mode is designed to match the human breathing rate, so great for relaxation or yoga. Now you do have a full color spectrum, and to change the color you have a touch strip over here which allows you to slide your finger up or down to select the exact color you desire. Look at that. This definitely has to be my favorite color. Absolutely beautiful. Now here we have a wireless charging pad, or Qi pad, and it comes with a flat cable. Now I plugged in the micro USB cable to the charging pad, and I'm just using a power bank. So here is their wireless charging pad. Now it's made from an aluminium base, and on top you have this Qi lamp logo, and it does look quite nice, and I believe the whole set is available in different colors. Now I've obviously gone for the silver color, so I have the matching base with the matching wireless charger. Now you don't have to use this wireless charger. This product is compatible with any wireless charger, and when you do put it on charge, you will see it briefly turn on and turn back off, so you know it's charging. So there you have it guys. That was the Qi lamp, a very cool looking wireless charging LED lamp. I absolutely love the innovation. It's affordable, you have auto power off, it's eco-friendly, so the batteries are built in, so you don't need to buy separate batteries, and on a full charge you can expect an operating time of between 3 to 40 hours depending on the brightness setting you have selected. Or you can just leave it on the charging pad for constant power, and if you don't want to go wireless, you also have a USB Type-C port at the back, so you could just plug this into a Type-C port. It will charge and power at the same time. Now this product is ideal for working, reading, eating, traveling, camping. You can use it whilst you're having a bath. You can take it with you literally anywhere. It's very light in weight, and I really like that it can be charged in so many different ways, making it a very versatile wireless lamp. And with that being said, I will certainly leave the links in the description in case you guys want to check this product out. This is a brand new product currently just released on Kickstarter, so do go ahead and check this product out. It's absolutely amazing. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.